Hey everyone, today we're diving into the exciting world of humanoid robots and how they're transforming the automotive industry. Let's talk about the Figure 02 and its groundbreaking work at BMW's plant in Spartanburg, South Carolina. What is the Figure 02? The Figure 02 is a cutting-edge humanoid robot developed by California-based company Figure. This isn't just any robot, it's designed specifically for production and logistics tasks, making it perfect for the automotive industry. So what sets the Figure 02 apart from other humanoid robots? Let's break it down. The Figure 02 boasts incredibly human-like hands with 16 degrees of freedom and strength equivalent to a human. This allows it to perform complex two-handed tasks with remarkable precision. Unlike some stationary robots, the Figure 02 can walk on two legs, giving it unparalleled flexibility in the workspace. With 3 times the processing power of its predecessor, the Figure 02 can handle complex tasks autonomously. Equipped with advanced cameras, microphones, and sensors, the Figure 02 can perceive and interact with its environment more effectively than many competitors. Now let's talk about how BMW is putting the Figure 02 to the test. In a recent trial at their Spartanburg plant, the robot successfully performed a crucial task in car manufacturing, inserting sheet metal parts into specific fixtures for chassis assembly. This might not sound impressive at first, but consider this. This task requires extreme precision and dexterity, something that's been challenging to automate until now. The Figure 02's success in this trial opens up exciting possibilities for the future of automotive manufacturing. BMW's use of the Figure 02 is significant for several reasons. By taking on physically demanding tasks, the Figure 02 can help reduce strain on human workers. Humanoid robots like the Figure 02 can work consistently without fatigue, potentially boosting production efficiency. Unlike specialized machinery, the Figure 02 can be reprogrammed for various tasks, making it a versatile addition to the production line. While the Figure 02 isn't permanently stationed at BMW's plant yet, this successful trial marks an important step forward. As BMW continues to collaborate with Figure, we can expect to see further refinements and potentially wider implementation of these robots in the future. The Figure 02's trial at BMW's plant represents a significant milestone in the integration of humanoid robots in automotive manufacturing. As this technology continues to evolve, it's exciting to imagine how it might reshape the industry in the years to come. What do you think about humanoid robots in car manufacturing? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on cutting-edge technology in the automotive world.